Mmm, what is this fruit called? It's called an avocado. But what is this thing in the middle? What's that called? How would you describe it? Well, here are some words I want to teach you. Pit, stone, seed, and kernel. Okay, with an avocado, we would use the word stone or pit. Okay, when a fruit has one hard thing in the middle, that's called a stone or a pit. Okay, so an avocado has a pit, cherries have pits or stones, but what about a grapefruit? A grapefruit has seeds, okay? Just like a strawberry has seeds. You can see all the little seeds in the strawberry. Apples also have seeds. Now this thing here is called an apple core, right? You eat the apple and then you throw away the apple core. Now you can see inside the apple core there are some apple seeds, okay? The core means the center of something. Okay, what about grain? Does grain have seeds? No. Grain has kernels. Okay, each of these little things is called a kernel. All right, so grain like wheat, barley, oats, all of that has kernels. Okay, so let's take a look at this picture again. We know this is called the stone or the pit. How would you describe this light green part around the stone? What word would you use to describe it? Well, we could use the word flesh or meat. Okay, most fruit has some sort of flesh or meat. Okay, now what about an orange? Does an orange have flesh? Sure, we could use the word flesh or meat for an orange, but there's another word I want to teach you, and that is pulp. Pulp. Okay, with citrus fruits are like oranges, grapefruits, lemons, and limes. These have pulp. Pulp is like those little pockets of juice inside the fruit. Okay, so let's take a look at this picture again. We have our avocado. Here's the stone. Here's the flesh. Now what about this dark green thing on the outside of the fruit? How would you describe that? Well, we could use the words skin, peel, or shell. Now with an avocado, we would probably use the word peel or skin. Okay, we could describe it this way. An avocado has a tough, leathery skin. Okay, leathery. Leather is what shoes are made from. You know, it's sort of rough. So that's sort of what an avocado skin or shell or peel feels like. It's sort of that tough thing, right? If you drop an avocado, it's probably not going to break. Okay, so it's pretty tough skin. Okay, now what about bananas? Do bananas have skin? No, bananas have peel. This thing here, it's called a banana peel. Okay, what about apples? Well, apples have peel, but you could probably also use the word skin. Okay, ooh, this is a hard one. Watermelon. What are these called? This is called a watermelon rind. Okay, the rind is the hard part on the outside of the watermelon. So when you eat a watermelon, you probably don't eat the rind. Okay, you throw the rind away. All right, what about walnuts or other kinds of nuts? They have a shell. Okay, a shell is hard, just like a turtle has a shell. It's very hard to protect the turtle.